Alright, got my new wooden toilet seat in, and I think I'm going to go ahead and put it on today. They're not hard to put on. This old one is a old wooden one. I like the wood. They're better for me. They're easy to, I'm not going to show you how to put that on, but because what you got on most of them is one of these with a little Phillips screw, and one of these that you can hold with your fingers for the bottom of it. You know, you can just screw it on. You can use it with your fingers, usually install with just your fingers, but power pliers and a Phillips screwdriver in this case, most of them are flathead. But what I had done on this one, I've had that new one for 2 or 3 weeks now, but I did a repair on the wood right here because it was 3+ day shipping on that one, so I knew it was going to be a week on Walmart. And so so I did a repair. I figured, well, I'll just use this one until I get my new one in. And got the new one in 2, maybe 3 weeks now, and the repair is still working. So I don't want to, I didn't want to really take it off, but I wanted to show you what I did to repair it so that I could get by until I got my new one in. So I got my new one in. I'm not going to show you how to do that, but I'm going to show you how to repair an old one that has screw problems in wood. Alright, let me get out there and see if I can't get started on this. Alright, I got the new one on, and it is a lot better built than that old one. And I did not need any tools to get it on. Took a little bit to figure it out, but no tools needed to get the new one on. The little, I think it's a mainstay, I can't remember now. But a little odd getting it on there, but I didn't need any tools. Alright. Alright, I'm not sure. I'm pretty sure it was this side, but I don't know if it was here that was loose, or if it was here that was loose. I'm just going to take this one off and just take a look. So I don't know which one I repaired. Alright, it wasn't this one. So it'll be this one that I repaired. Can you see that? That's the one I repaired right there. All right. You can see that that's the original, and this is the one that I repaired. And you can see I didn't do a great job. I wasn't expecting it to hold on very long anyway. But what I did was just, I actually used Elmer's school glue, and it held pretty good. Well, alright, I'm gonna try to make a hole like it was. Alright. Let me get a pair of pliers. Alright. A lot of the time you'll have something and it'll waller it out. Won't move. That's actually pretty good wood right there. Alright. Alright. If you get a wallered out hole that won't take your screw anymore, get down in there a little ways. Tear some more out. Yeah. Now then, y'all can see it, but I can't. Where's my screw? Here it is. Now then, if you get a hole that's wallered out and won't accept your screw anymore, then you're probably going to end up with two of them the same way, right next to each other. So you need to fix them both. And you either don't have the money to go get a new one. I think I gave, I don't know, 15, 20 bucks for that mainstay, and but you know, I still had to have something to use while it was in shipping, because it took, I don't know, it took a few days, you know, to get it here. And so I had to repair that just so I could use the toilet. And I'll show you how to repair that. It's really easy. Dump all the junk out of it. And I'll show you just alright, really just the first thing you need to do is, well, the first thing I do is, if I can get some stuff out of here. Is the glue coming out? Yeah, it's coming out barely. I had more than I thought. Because I can't see. Alright, you just want to fill the hole up. Fill the hole up with glue. And then take some plain old toothpicks. You can break them in half if you want, the way I did it usually. Stick one in there and break it. But you don't have to. Try to get as many in there as you can. Try to get them down there as far as you can. And that's all you do. That's it. That's all you do, and then when it give it a little time to dry, and when it dries, just you can take a little. What I did on this side was just take some side cutters, like this right here. Kind of like some side cutters, not these particular ones, but just some side cutters, and just reach down and just clip them off. And that's probably what I'll do here. Or if you want to make it look good and what have you, you can take a saw and kind of just saw them off even after it gets dry now. And then your screw will have something to hold to, and it repaired the wallered out hole, like I did that one over there. That's how you repair them. I'll show you what it looks like, and I'll clip off the clip them off when it dries. All right, got it filled completely up, even one in the center. That way the hole's completely filled. And we'll come back here in a little while after it dries up and cut it off, and that'll be a repaired hole. All right, it's been 3 or 4 hours, and so it's pretty done, repairable. And what you can do is you can take a saw like this and lay it down and just trim it across. Or you take a Dremel and just cut them across. But it's going to be underneath something anyway, so it doesn't really matter what it looks like. So I usually get a pair of side cutters and just maybe try to get one at a time, 1 or 2 at a time, cut them. There we go. Now it's better than it was. You put a screw in there and it ain't coming out. Once you get it started back in there. See if I can get it going there. Yeah, there we go. Just as good as it was new. And like I say, it'll be underneath something, so you don't really have to worry about how it looks. But anyway, if you're forced to use an oven for a little while, or a few days, a few weeks, then a little repair like that'll work. That'll get you by until you get another one. All right. I guess that's it. Y'all take care and stay safe.